Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here and warm welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. I'm sure you are enjoying seeing the videos on YouTube. So do ensure that you like, share, comment, and today I'm going to talk about the trading using Bollinger Bands and combining that with cryptocurrency like Ethereum. अगर आपने लास्ट 2 बार से ये वीडियोस देखेंगे, you might have seen we are taking the trades also, and how beautifully, how exceptionally it is going on the option side, and we are able to do that. So आगे बढ़ने के पहले दोस्तों, there are these videos that you are seeing are I'm producing it so that you can learn and trade the market. Nothing is risk free, everything comes with a risk. लेकिन आप stop loss के साथ अगर काम करोगे तो पैसा बन सकता है. It can be crypto, it can be nifty, it can be bank nifty, it can be any other currency that you are looking at it, or any other index that you are looking at. So right now, the example that I'm taking is of a cryptocurrency, but the same concept of Bollinger Bands can be applied on Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, expiry, and you can accordingly start creating positions on that. Or price action, बहुत important है. It is very important that you combine these things with price action, because without price action you can't really trade the market, because भाव भगवान छे. So it's very crucial. Just before moving forward, we have the mentorship session, which is going to start by the end of November. So ensure you are a part of this elite trading community, which we call as hashtag time traders. And it's going to be simply changing the way you ever see the market. It will transform you as a trader, where I'll talk about risk, money management, and all of those things. So चलिए ज़्यादा time नहीं spend करते. Let me very quickly move now to the crypto trading, and let me show you what happened to the trade that we have taken the last time, and whether it went in favor, it didn't went in favor, सारी चीजें देखते हैं. This is on the Delta exchange platform, and ये हमने छोटा सा ट्रेड लिया था, where we have sold 3 Ethereums. Okay, and we can clearly see. Let me just reload the page. There is reloading of the page happening. Meanwhile, we have taken that positions of 3 Ethereum, and we can see that the ROI in terms of percentage is 15.28% in 1 week. ये ट्रेड लिया था हमने लास्ट वीक में, और ऑप्शन सेल किया था लुकिंग एट द इथेरियम चार्ट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड, एंड देन वी हैव टेकन अ पोजीशन ऑन द ऑप्शंस. सो यहाँ पर जो मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट था वो उस टाइम पे बहुत कम था. $70 का मार्जिन था, उसके ऊपर $10 के आसपास बना, मतलब नियरली यार 15% का रिटर्न आपको एक हफ्ते में मिला है. लेकिन स्टॉप लॉस भी लगाया हुआ है. अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर स्टॉप लॉस भी ऑलरेडी प्लेस्ड है. सो जो भी करना है हमें स्टॉप लॉस के साथ करना है, एंड दिस इज प्योरली फ्रॉम लर्निंग पर्सपेक्टिव इज व्हाट आई एम शोइंग अक्रॉस व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सो लेट मी नाउ. सो ये ट्रेड भी सही गया. इसके पहले वाला वीडियो अगर आपने देखा होगा, ये प्लेलिस्ट हमने बना रखी है. दिस एंटायर प्लेलिस्ट कंटेन्स ऑल द वीडियोस यूजिंग Bollinger Bands, using price action, candlestick. So go through this entire playlist, and it's really amazing. I'm sure you will love it. So let me now go back to the spot prices. Let me go to the markets, and I'm going to open up first. सबसे पहले तो मैं एक ही चीज करता हूँ भाई, अगर बिटकॉइन ट्रेड करना है तो बिटकॉइन का क्या प्राइस चल रहा है, इथेरियम ट्रेड करना है तो इथेरियम के चार्ट पे जाके हमें देखना है क्या चल रहा है. सो फिलहाल इफ आई एम लुकिंग एट इथेरियम, दिस इज 1 hour chart. I'll go on 1 day chart and look at what is happening around. If you can apply Elliott wave, brilliant. If you can apply time cycles, it works fantastic. You can apply any such techniques, or if you can simply apply price action, simple price action concept, and that also works very well. So if I see the overall chart of Ethereum, if I show you on the weekly time frame, यहाँ पर वीकली टाइम फ्रेम शायद से यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा मुझे. सो ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ, ये मंथली हो गया. लेट मी चेक इफ आई हैव over the period of 2 weeks. So if you look at the overall movement of Ethereum, you can clearly see this is where the hurdle is, and if this breaks, boss, it is not going to stop. It's not going to stop going up. So अभी मैं डेली पे चलता हूँ फिलहाल, and daily time frame पे I can see that the middle of the band is acting like a superb support to price, and upside गया, breakout दिया, back to the middle of the band, reversing on the upside. मेरा व्यू पॉजिटिव है. एटलीस्ट क्रिप्टो ETH इथेरियम इज गोइंग टू हेड टुवर्ड्स 2142 लेवल्स. दैट्स द व्यू. एंड नीचे में, सो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए कि ट्रेड क्या बनेगा. ट्रेड लेने के लिए 2142 का मेरा टारगेट आ गया. मेरा जो नीचे का सपोर्ट लेवल है, देखिए ना, प्राइस एक्शन मल्टीपल टाइम्स इट हैज रिवर्स्ड फ्रॉम दीज लेवल्स. सो अगर आप इंट्राडे ट्रेड कर रहे हैं तो यू माइट इवन बाय ऑप्शन. मैं थोड़ा पोजिशनली देख रहा हूँ, 3-4 दिन 5 दिन हफ्ते भर के होराइजन से. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर सेलिंग ऑप्शन बिकॉज मेरा व्यू थोड़ा सा बड़ा है और मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्रैक नहीं कर रहा इसको. अगर आप कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्रैक करो, यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय ऑप्शन ऑल्सो इंट्राडे. So if you look at this is the area from where we can see multiple times prices have reversed on the upside. ये कौन सा एरिया है वो देख लेते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल. यहाँ पर लो है 1919, मतलब 1900 is the area. 1900 is the area which is extremely crucial for Ethereum. ये समझ में आया. Now currently it is trading at 2069. Now if I buy right now, my risk reward is not favorable. मतलब यार यहाँ से I'm getting around 70 points and नीचे का stop ज्यादा दूर है. So rather than that, I will prefer selling option because that way I can still ride the position and I will be selling option below the strike price. So 1857 is where the lower end of the band is. So I'm now utilizing this band to derive my trade. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go on the options of इथेरियम एंड चेक कि भाई कहां पर ट्रेड मिल सकता है, कहां पर ओपन इंटरेस्ट बिल्डअप है, विच वन इज द लिक्विड ऑप्शन. सो ये नंबर्स मैंने लिख दिए. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो ऑन द ट्रेड हियर ऑन ऑप्शन साइड एंड सी कि यार 1850 के आसपास का कोई स्ट्राइक है विच कैन बी लिक्विड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गो ऑन द इथेरियम एंड आई एम गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट directly on 1st of December or maybe 8th of December. So I just want to be selecting a little. 8th December बहुत दूर हो गया. I will select 1st December. Next week expiry लेंगे हम. So I'll select 1st of December as the expiry and I'm going to select somewhere around जो levels लिख रखे हैं मैंने यहाँ पे 1857 के आसपास. So I'm going to check whether I'm getting any kind of a level around this area and whether I'm going to be able to trade. Okay, so once we have seen that, we have an 1850 option which is there. We have 1900, so we can select 1850 as of now, or even 1900 is fine as the view is bullish. That we can see where there is multiple support place, but I just want to be below that level. So 1850 is what I'm going to select, and once I select 1850, I can simply come here and I can directly trade this 1850 strike price. I can place an order which is the mark price. That's the mark price that you can see here. And I'm going to place an order for selling across. The best bid is 4.10. I might want to place a little higher at say 4.40 as of now. And I'm going to place for the contract of 3 Ethereum. So again, I'll click on sell. And I can see here, let me just clear off the screen now. I can see the margin requirement is, I will get $13. The margin requirement is approximately 62 and we have a decent ROI, right? On a $62, if I can get $13, that's like a decent ROI. So I'm just going to place the order now and the order is placed and we can see that we are at 4.40 and that's at 4.20. So if we get filled and 4.60 is the mark price, so I'm going to place the orders near the mark price so that I get filled easily. And once I get filled, I'm going to then place a stop loss. My stop loss is going to be as soon as this gets filled, my stop loss is going to be like 8.5, which is double of what I'm trading on, maybe around 9. So that's how I'm going to place a stop loss, and that's how I trail my stop loss back. As soon as I get some amount of money which I'm able to make out of it, I keep trailing my stop loss. So this is how I am going to be trading Bitcoin. This is how you place the orders, and I'm using this platform. So it's a very classic way of trading, simple ways of trading crypto, and simply looking at the daily chart, looking at the Bollinger Bands, seeing what is the range of the market, getting the view. If you can apply some concepts of price action with wave theory or those things, get the view. Once you have the view, for selling option, you don't really have to think much. But if you have to buy option, then there is a lot of thinking that has to go inside it, whether the momentum is being generated or not, whether we have for momentum I use KST indicator, for other things I do a lot of things, those analysis. So you have to ensure that for buying option everything is in place, and So you have to catch reversals also for buying options. So maybe if time permits and if you want to see that, do put it in the comment. I'll try to make videos around that. So comment लिखना ना भूलिए दोस्तों, because once you place the comment, I will know what you want to see, and basically basis of that, I'll be able to then put across my videos, my views, and lot of those things. So that's how I just wanted to share across. तो आज के लिए इतना ही दोस्तों, और जाते जाते एक और चीज, लाइक करना ना भूले, शेयर करना ना भूले. There is also a Telegram group for crypto. Link is in the description. You can join that Telegram group. And you can also create an account. It's there on the comment and the description on Delta Exchange. Experiment with it, but depends. It completely is risky. You need to ensure to play stop loss. You need to understand the risk before you take any kind of a position. But do it systematic way, scientific way. पैसा बनता है, लेकिन हाँ, अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि ओवरनाइट में पैसे को डबल कर दूंगा और आज का आज ही जितना लगा है उसका डबल हो जाएगा, तो वैसा नहीं करना है हमें. If we keep doing it in terms of a percentage and in a systematic fashion, we will be able to make money. Okay, that's it for today. And also ensure, as I said earlier in the video, we have a mentorship starting. In case you are interested, you can find the link in the description. Do register. You will be amazed to see how we trade in mentorship together, and we are going to do that. Thank you very much, and do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Ashish Kyal signing off.